Torrential slide value equivalent to 236.41 rands a coin. The present cost range, 230.72 to 240.90. The earlier day close, 236.07. The change was plus 0.34. Plus 0.14%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 227 rands, high 243, low 211. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, July 17, cost 221 rands, high 236, low 206. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost 218 rands, high 233, low 203. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost 214 rands, high 229, low 199. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost 233 rands, high 249, low 217. Torrential slide figure on Friday, July 21, cost 241 rands, high 258, low 224. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost 234 rands, high 250, low 218. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost 228 rands, high 244, low 212. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost 224 rands, high 240, low 208. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 27, cost 227 rands, high 243, low 211. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost 231 rands, high 247, low 215. Torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 31, cost 229 rands, high 245, low 213. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, August 2, cost 244 rands, high 261, low 227. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost 231 rands, high 247, low 215. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, August 4, cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost 228 rands, high 244, low 212. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost 240 rands, high 257, low 223. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost 232 rands, high 248, low 216. Torrential slide figure on Monday, August 14, cost 247 rands, high 264, low 230. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 244 rands, excessive cost 266. While low cost 199, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 235. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 229, change for July 6.1%. Torrential slide figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 229 rands, excessive cost 278. While low cost 206, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 234. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 222, change for August 3.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 222 rands, excessive cost 222, while low cost 181. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 205, torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 195, change for September 12.2%. Torrential slide figure for October 2023, initially cost at 195 rands, excessive cost 195. While low cost 162. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 182. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 174, change for October 10.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023, initially cost at 174 rands, excessive cost 185, while low cost 161. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 173. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 173. Change for November 0.6%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023, initially cost at 173 rands, excessive cost 186, while low cost 162. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 174. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 174. Change for December 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024, initially cost at 174 rands, excessive cost 174, while low cost 148. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 164. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 159. Change for January 8.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for February 2024, at the outset cost at 159 rands, excessive cost 197, while low cost 159. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 175. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 184. Change for February 15.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024, at the outset cost at 184 rands, excessive cost 200, while low cost 174. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 186. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 187. Change for spring 1.6%. Torrential slide conjecture for April 2024, at the outset cost at 187 rands, excessive cost 203, while low cost 177. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 189. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 190. Change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 190 rands, exorbitant cost 230. While low cost 190. The found the middle value of cost 206. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 215. Change for May 13.2%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 215 rands, exorbitant cost 219. While low cost 191. The found the middle value of cost 208. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 205. Change for June 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 205 rands, excessive cost 223.